In this tutorial, I will be using openSUSE Leap 15.6. I guess you are here as you have no audio in DaVinci Resolve on Linux when importing a video clip. Chances are you are trying to import an unsupported codecs. There is an easy solution, FFmpeg. You just need to install it. In openSUSE, there are two ways to install FFmpeg. The first is Yast. Yast means yet another setup tool. Yast sets openSUSE. Apart from all other Linux distros, it's a love-hate relationship with most advocates of openSUSE. Open Yast, click Software Management, wait for the refresh of the tool. In search, type FFmpeg. Select all of the FFmpeg libraries or search for what you need. Select Accept and let FFmpeg install. The next option is Zypper, a CLI install method. The command will be in the comments below. First refresh, then update. Yast does this every time you open it. Then you will need to tell Zypper to install FFmpeg. I am going to select Cancel, as I already have FFmpeg installed. Another option is to install a new mirror or repository for FFmpeg. I am not going to touch this now. Now for the reason you are here. How to convert an MP4 video to something you can use in openSUSE or in any other Linux distro. Get a new clip I will call one test. The converted clip will be called Output. Change the name to your liking. Yes, it is really that simple. It works as well as you can see. Try it for yourself. As always, the commands used will be in the comments below. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. I will be adding a new tutorial to make FFmpeg into a GUI, so you don't need to go commando.